Hello guys, today we're gonna check the routine maintenance in the MOVA P50 Ultra. So let's check the manual. As you can see, the water tank we have to maintain after each use. The clean water tank, main brush, filter, side brush, mop pad we have to clean for once every 2 weeks, and replacement period is for the main brush from the 6 to 12 months and the dustbag filter from 3 to 6 months. The next one, the base station, signaling area, charging contacts, vent, omnidirectional wheel, edge sensor, LDS, 3D sensor once every month, and basically that's it. We have also the table for the sensors, so the same thing, the once every month, and the dustbag clean, it's as needed. We have to also change the dustbag mop pad and scale inhibitor, and there we have the times for it. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.